Can I really build a profitable trading account just by being consistent? This question has been on every trader's mind at some point. And today we are going to explore what true consistency looks like in Forex trading, moving beyond the myth of perfect win rates. Here is the truth. Many traders struggle with the idea of consistency, often misunderstanding it as a streak of wins. They see a few successful trades and they think they finally cracked the code, only to hit a rough patch and feel like they failed altogether. And this mindset leads to frustration and poor decision making. And a common challenge that most traders face is the expectation of flawless execution, which is simply unrealistic. I must tell you that because I've been in the market for over 15 years. It is unrealistic having streak of wins and never losing. Forget about what you see on the YouTube and what people just show you as though they never lose. The market is full of uncertainties and losses are part of the game. And as a result of that unrealistic expectation, most traders get into very poor habits of over trading, taking excessive risk, and abandoning their strategy altogether in the process. Most traders also tend to focus on individual trades rather than the overall process, and that leads them to impulsive decisions. Now, if you're ready for the truth, hear it right now. Consistency in trading is not about being perfect. Just like in life, succeeding in life is not all about being perfect. Rather, it's about being reliable and persistent over time. So this misconception can be very costly, as it leads traders to deviate from their plans and make emotional decisions. So what does consistency in trading actually look like? It boils down to a few key pillars. The number one pillar to consistency in Forex trading is disciplined risk management. That is, knowing how much to trade and when to hold back. For example, a trader might limit their risk to 2% of their account per trade. Some 3%, some 1%. So make sure you define your risk for every trade that you take. Then secondly, there must be adherence to a proven strategy. That is, sticking to a plan that has been tested and shown to work. Now, what that means is that you don't jump from strategy to strategy like many people do. Many people jump from strategy to strategy looking for holy grails, looking for a strategy that never fails. There is no such strategy. Every strategy, no matter how good it is, fails at some point in time. So you stick to a strategy that gives you an edge and work with it. Thirdly, there must be emotional control. That is the psychological aspect of it. And it's all about keeping your emotions in check even during a drawdown, because drawdown will come. It's just like life. Life is in seasons. You will always have the winter at some point in time, even after the spring, summer, and the autumn has come. And the winter season can be compared to the drawdown season in your Forex trading. There are times you have a series of losing trades. Even though you stick to your strategy and you did all your due diligence, yet you will still see yourself having a losing streak. It happens. So in such a downtime, when you're having a drawdown, you have to keep yourself in check emotionally. These pillars work together to create a solid foundation for consistent trading. So let's take a look at what consistent growth might look like. Imagine a simplified equity curve that shows steady but not spectacular growth over time. There are ups and downs, but the overall trend is positive. This curve doesn't show a perfect linear climb. It shows a more realistic wavy path. Drawdowns are a natural part of trading, and consistency is about managing them, not avoiding them entirely. So the goal is to make progress, not to achieve perfection. I repeat that. The goal in Forex trading is to make progress, not to achieve perfection. In the end, consistency is about progress, discipline, and managing expectations, not about flawless execution or constant winning trades. Let that sink in. So, if you're struggling with consistency, kindly share your biggest challenges with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights into profitable trading strategies. I'm rooting for you. Cheers, and do have a great day.